What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're just going to get right into this video. Before we even jump into this video, go ahead and like this video if you're here because you're disappointed as well in AirPods Max not bringing any innovative features to the update this year. And a bonus, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you want to help me out. It's greatly appreciated. But let's jump into this video. So technically, I have AirPods Max version 2 right here. All right, haha, that's a joke. I don't really have it, but if you know, you know. We're going to talk about it a little bit in this video, just my disappointment. And really, this video is a video to get some discussion from you guys. I want to jump in the comments and talk about this with you. But by now, the Apple event has happened. If you haven't seen the Apple event, you've probably seen social media posts, podcasts, YouTube videos about it. If you haven't seen that and you're living under a rock, I'll say this. You haven't missed really anything this year when it's coming to at least Apple's flagship iPhone 16. But like many of you, I watched the Apple event because I enjoy tech. Wasn't really super sold on the iPhone and the Apple Intelligence, but I stuck around to see what we were going to get from the headphones. And I want to say at the time of this video, it's probably been about 4 years since we've got an upgrade to the AirPods Max. Now, my original video, I talked about a bunch of things that I wanted to see different with these, and we got none of those. Now, I will say there's one bright spot of the Apple event. I'll say it's the AirPods that are coming with the hearing test and the ability to be a hearing aid. I think Apple continues to push the boundaries in the health space, and so that's a cool addition to the AirPods. Let's talk about this briefly. All right, I have the green ones. Now, unless you really like the colorways of the new AirPods Max 2, there really isn't any reason to upgrade. Now, obviously, if you're a snob for your cords, they upgraded to USB-C. They've got new colors. It's the same chip, but we didn't bring anything else. No new carrying tote bag, no on-off button, no sweat-proof, no customizable earmuffs or handle. It doesn't fold. Nothing new. I want to say they spend about 45 seconds to a minute, maybe a minute or more, a little bit over a minute on this segment in the Apple event talking about AirPods Max 2. They just left me disappointed. There's not much else I can say. I have a feeling a ton of creators probably aren't going to be talking about these or reviewing them. Maybe the Apple fanatics will talk about them just to show you. If you like tech-related content, please watch those videos. Check them out. I probably won't be making any videos on that. I won't be upgrading to the AirPods Max 2. And if you were watching my original video earlier, a lot of you were like, should I upgrade? Should I buy the original AirPods Max? Should I get something else? If you've held on that long without purchasing a product till now, I would say look for the AirPods Max version 1, significantly reduced on sale or they're available. Go out and get one. If you just have money to blow, I don't think I could, with a good conscience, say go out and buy AirPods Max 2. There isn't anything special about them unless you just want Apple's latest and greatest over-the-ear headphone, and then you could get the AirPods Max just to say you're on their newest one if you like brand new things. But for that $599, almost $600 price tag, you could probably find some other headphones that are worth your while. I would say if you don't want over-the-ear and you're interested in getting some new AirPods that are going to have the hearing aid potential, the hearing test, they've even got the AirPods that are going to be able to noise cancel without the gummies. I think before it's only been the pros that can do the noise canceling. I think now they have AirPods that aren't pros that are going to be able to do that. So there's some other options if you're looking for headphones. If you're looking for over the ear, I don't know. So let me know in the comment section below, why do you think Apple skimped on the AirPods Max? Are they spending all their time getting ready for AI? They've got other things to worry about. For the price tag of these things, these should be the primo, pro, feature-first headphones, and they're not. So it's a head scratcher to me as to why they didn't upgrade these, especially if they were paying attention to social media, if they're paying attention to their customers, their fans, if you want to call them that. This was one of the products we absolutely wanted a refresh that just felt modern and up to date with all the other cool stuff that Apple's got coming out, and they just didn't do it. So I'm wondering why. So let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know what you thought of the Apple event if you watched it. Let me know if you plan on getting anything else in the lineup. You're going to be getting an iPhone 16 series. You're going to be switching to something else. Are you holding off? Let me know in the comment section below. That is it for me. I'm going to wallow in my sorrow for another 3 to 4 years or however long before they make a new version of these. But at least I can say these ones, first generation, are still pretty good. So you can find them, grab them. If not, do what you wish with your $5.99. That is totally up to you. But that's it. That's all I got. Do better, Apple. We wanted something better and you let us down. Do better. I'm out of here. Like always, till next time, be blessed. Catch you in the next video. Peace.